Let's look at tow line systems and the elements that make up a tow line system. There are three main elements. One is the clip that attaches to the boat you're towing. One is the way that the system is attached to you or your boat. And then there's also what goes in between, whether it's line or tape. Starting off with the part that attaches to you. A body-mounted system either fits around your waist or just above your waist. And it's normally in the form of a belt with a quick release mechanism. The quick release mechanism is essential, so if you do need to pull away from somebody that you're towing in a hurry, maybe you've capsized and you're upside down and there's drag and you're frightened of getting tangled up in the rope when you roll, you can release by pulling on the toggle, the buckle opens and the system drops away. And you may need to be able to push it away from your clothing to make sure that it's completely free. That's around the waist. Some PFDs also have a system built in. Here there's a ring in the back. The tow system pulls on that, and when you release, the webbing comes from around the jacket and the ring drops off the end.